Now
Ew, Martina, that sounds wrong. Let's go inside now.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Ah! I don't want it to tip.
Oh yeah, I want to show you this video.
Baby, cook this day. I don't want them to be out.
Okay, Dad, I want to go on my computer, but make a Josh on it.
Okay, so give me some time. Okay? Take that back away, put it where you find it, and lock the gate. I don't want this to stay. Is that water right there? Yeah. Just fill up with water. Who's that water?
Whoa, good doggy.
No, you jerk out of it.
Good doggy.
You just like threw it on there.
Good doggy.
It's raining hay.
It's raining hay. Whoa, look at the mama. She's eating like a
Pig.
pig.
Yay. Oh crap!
Papa.
Oh crap! Did you see the dad? Oh, just. Hey dude, is anyone gonna film the dad?
Taylor.
You called her Taylor.
Taylor. Don't put it on his body.
Oh,
Hi. Hi.
still smells
Hi,
like
Alex.
baby.
Hi, Alex.
So adorable.
Alex.
I give it that.
Taylor.
Oh, smell.
Oh God, he smells like baby.
That's why I use.
Did you put baby powder on him?
I put baby shampoo on him.
Why in the world would
It's
you do that?
safer than.
Whoa!
Because it doesn't hurt their eyes. So.
Yeah, post that camera.
Yeah, I'm going other shampoos. They really hurt their eyes. And plus, it moistens their fur. Yeah.
How come those ones don't smell like baby?
Oh, Mom does.
Your mama has. Let's go find them.